In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language for a NotebookLM audio overview before you generate it. To get started, open the NotebookLM notebook you want to use. Once you're inside, look over to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can create content from the sources in your notebook, including summaries, reports, and audio overviews. Find Audio Overview and click it. This opens a small setup window where you can customize the overview before it's created. Quick side note, for more practical NotebookLM tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. In the Audio Overview window, look for the Choose Language dropdown. Click it, then select the language you want the generated audio to use. You can also configure any of the other available audio overview settings here, based on the type of listening experience you want to create. When everything looks right, click Generate. NotebookLM will then create a new audio overview using the language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully generated a NotebookLM audio overview in your preferred language.